So yep, that just happened. You totally just watched a video of nothing but a dude pressure washing concrete. And for all you completionists out there with OCD, you're only mildly annoyed at how satisfying it was. So tune in tomorrow for an epic slow motion time lapse of paint drying, and we'll see you then. Just kidding, y'all. Thanks for watching. Also, check out this clip from the other day I got of an uninvited guest who just decided to get naked and leave. See ya.